Tomato season's upon us. I'm starting early, and this year I'm going to try a little experiment. I want to answer the question, what is the difference between growing in the soil and growing tomatoes in a tub? Now, to do this experiment, I'm using 3 different growing frames. I've got the veggie frame, the jumbo tomato cage, and the freestanding Grip and Grow. I've got 3 varieties of tomato. This is the Tomato Italian Heritage, and I reckon it'll go to about 60 centimetres, so I'm going to put that in the veggie cage. That'll be one there. Second is the Tomato Apollo. They say it's an early fruiter and goes to 1.5 plus, so that'll be for the jumbo cage. And finally, this is a beefsteak, and they also go 1.5 metres plus, so that'll go onto the Grip and Grow freestanding. I'll get these into the ground. All right, so now let's look at the competition. 3 tubs, I'm going to put some of the same soil that is here and the same growing frames. Now, to give each of these little tomatoes a fair chance, I'm going to use exactly the same frame, except I'm going to put them in the tubs. All right, this is the jumbo tomato cage. Putting these together isn't rocket science, so it shouldn't take me more than a couple of seconds. I was speaking to a lady in Bunnings the other day, and she said that she has used hers for many, many years, so they are durable. But for me, I reckon the Ants Pants is the growing frame, the freestanding growing frame. In she goes. So it's about 2 weeks ago now that I planted them. They haven't grown an enormous amount, but it's the end of winter, it's been pretty cold, and so I guess I wouldn't expect too much. But even now, I'm starting to see a bit of a story emerging. The heritage tomatoes, the plant that's growing in the pot is actually growing faster than the one that I've got planted in the garden. At the other end of the line, the beefsteak, that seems to be going faster in the ground than it is in the pot. The Apollo, no clear winner yet, but as I said, it's only 2 weeks in. If you're interested, we'll keep you posted and see if we can answer that question. Bye for now. Whites have plenty of other clever ideas to help bring your garden to life, and they're available from your local Bunnings.